your boy up here at the car show. Yellow thing looking real nice.
Once again, everyone, please conduct yourself accordingly. Northtown and Metro is here, so hopefully we can get out to safe as fast as you can.
That thing right there look like he got some motor in it.
Okay, listen.
Look at this motherfucker right here. Clean.
And please, if everybody can please listen. If you are parked at the bar, which is called move, just please move your car. Once again, if you are parked at the rules zone, that one establishment is causing a conflict of interest. If you are parked at the rules, please move your car. They are here, and we are trying to conduct this orderly fashion right here. If you're parked at the rules, just move your car in orderly fashion, please. If you're not parked up there, don't worry about it. If you are parked at the rules, move your car because they will talk.
Very nice.
Best SUV, listen up. Best SUV.
You can't reverse your recording?
Best SUV goes to number 6. Number 6. He's here. Represent yourself. Once again with Swift. If you come all from California, Las Vegas. Oh, we thank you again once again for coming out, showing us support. Thank you. Number 6. Best SUV. Please hurry up for your top issue. If you're parked in the doors, move your car. They're going to tow it and George Spence. So runner-up for the best dunk is number 83. Runner-up, best dunk, number 83. Please come to the board. Number 83. Runner-up for dunk, number 83. Please come to the board. Number 83. Selva, therefore your soul has been reborn from somebody with you. Selva, number 83, you just want to show you. The black dog, just want to show you. I'm not going to get used to black dog, just want to show you. The boss and I just want to show you. Best dunk, number 23, please come. 23 down the line, best dunk, please come to the stage for the 83 is here. Oh, you can come up the floor. Look at me. I'm going to take off my cool hat. We shine on
Cam.
Hey, James out of place, man.
Cam.
I see you, man. You get trouble, man. Best up, keep your deal. What's the good going on with us? Down the right there it is. Next trophy, 2. Let's go. Winner of the please come to the booth. First, Mr. Girl, number 90. 90. No
bad. That motherfucker
yeah, number 90. There it is. Thank you again, Marcus, for always supporting our events. Muchas gracias to you. So now we're going to get
Killing it. Purple.
All right, runner-up for Muscle Call. Runner-up for Muscle Call is number 73. Number 73. Runner-up for Muscle Call, number 73. Number 73. No from the windshield. Number 73. First place, Muscle Call,
Hello.
number 2. Number 2. First place, Muscle Car is number 2. Runner-up for Muscle Car is number 73. Oh, Jay Shizzle!
Damn. That nigga on feet. Damn, look at the length.
Second place for Muscle Car is number 73.
Sixes.
There you go.
Not that, Kyle. Let me see. My bad.
I was looking for your ass for a minute, nigga. I was, nigga. Yeah, all I've been doing is recording, nigga. Huh?
I seen three now.
Oh, yeah?
We're keeping the movie. Number 79. Hey, please throw your number on front of your windshield so we can get this food done. Next stop.
That did it.
Yes, sir. I walked off.
Best paint from Camp Customs, the Ford Galaxy that's made on the ground. Please come to the stage, please.
That's
That's our seal. Yeah, that's our seal. But you're right. The cops have it on their, anybody that works for the city has it. Yeah.
Once again, best paint, Camp Customs. We got some car made on the ground. Never saw that show before, but thank you for coming out. And he's coming out. Thank you very much, sir. We see him coming up, best paint instead of this guy. He's walking around right now from Camp Customs. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Club participation, once again, we don't count, but we know what's going on. Club participation is Swift. Once again, club participation is Swift. Thank you for making the ride. Club participation, Swift. Coming up. You can't even drive yet. Show me your license, man. If you don't got a license, you can't get the trophy. You got a license? If you don't got a license, you can't get the trophy, man. Like this. You got a scooter? What? You don't got a scooter? You don't got a scooter? I need my scooter.
What you got in the trunk of that, man?
Biggest whales, number 35. Tres cinco. And please be careful, there's a car coming behind you, right behind you. The big thing where the trophy is leaving. So if your back is turned to the street, then you just watch yourself so the car can get through. Please, anybody that's right around standing, please hold your kids, don't let them run through. Yeah. Sir, this away, sir. Sir, Bentley. Don't take the Bentley. Go straight. You're going to no man's land. Go straight.
He said you're going into no man's land.
Next classic truck. Biggest wheels is here. Red with the blue truck. The blue truck. That's classic truck.
Let me show y'all my car. Hey, hold up, wait. This is my car.
This motherfucker clean as fuck though.
Hey, here. It's my car right here. That's my car.
What's wrong with you?